The first recipe: shim soy sauce steak and seasoned cabbage and cucumber. Pound beef for steak. Put the beef, shim soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, shim's marinade and cooking sauce, 2 tablespoons, in the zip bag. Mix them to absorb in the beef. Let it rest 1 to 2 hours in the fridge. Take it out of the fridge and put shim's vegetable oil in the frying pan. When the frying pan is heated, grill the beef to absorb shim's vegetable oil. Pickle cucumber and cabbage and tear them. Pickle them again with shim's marinade and cooking sauce, salt and sugar. Thaw the seasoning and mix it with a bit of sliced green onion. Place it with the steak. It's done! The second recipe: kimchi pancake with shim's vegan kimchi. Place kimchi in a big bowl. Slice the squid and green onion and add to the bowl. Add shim's marinade and cooking sauce, 1 tablespoon, and flour, 2 cups. Add water, 1½ cups, and mix the batter. When it's ready, put shim's vegetable oil in the frying pan. Spread the batter thinly to cook. Sprinkle green onions on the kimchi pancake. It's done! Have a healthy and tasty meal with ghirum. Ghirum.